In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Epic Games Store code quickly and easily, whether you're using the Epic Games Launcher or the Epic Games website. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through each step so you can add your game or item to your library without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can also do this from the Epic Games website in your browser. Once the launcher opens, make sure you're signed in to the correct Epic Games account. This is important because the code will be redeemed to whichever account is currently logged in. If you're using the website instead, go to Epic Games, sign in with your account, and wait for the homepage to load. Now look for your username in the top corner of the screen. In the launcher or on the website, click on your profile name to open the menu. From there, you should see an option that says Redeem Code. Click that option to open the code redemption page. On the redemption screen, you'll see a box where you can enter your code. Carefully type or paste the Epic Games Store code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code, and double check every character so there are no mistakes. Once the code is entered, click Redeem. Epic Games will verify the code and, if it's valid, the game, item, or content will be added to your account. After that, it should appear in your library, where you can install it whenever you're ready. If it's a game, you can head to your library, find the title, and start the install process from there. If it's another type of item or bonus content, it will usually be tied to your account automatically. If the code doesn't work, make sure it hasn't already been used and confirm that it was entered correctly. Also check that the code is meant for the Epic Games Store and not for a different platform. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed an Epic Games Store code. It only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one.